girl Tia back with another video. So today, as promised, we're going to do another DIY tutorial for the press-on nails. But today I'm gonna do it a little different, being that the previous video, the angles weren't as good. It wasn't easy to see what I was doing. So I feel like it'll be easier if you guys watch me do it on someone else. So today we're gonna have a special guest. Say hi to Sierra YouTube. Hi Sierra. Hey. We're gonna do her nails, so just sit back, relax. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Today, that's what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna get into it. So yeah, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe. We're on the road to 1K, so just keep tapping that subscribe button. Thank you, babes. Things that you're gonna need is a file, a buffer, a cuticle tool, fingernail clippers. I also use this cuticle tool to cut around the edges. This is strictly optional and up to you. I just think it gives you more of a clean look. You see it has the prongs here. Nail glue, acrylic powder, cuticle oil, and the nails of your choice. Any press-on nails will do. And then I also like to use a small brush at the end to get the acrylic off of the nails. All right, so let's get started. First, what you're going to want to do is clip your nails down. So I'm just going to clip her nails down just to get that extra nail off. All right, so once you have clipped down your nails low, you're gonna take your file and just file around the nail, on top of the nail. What you're trying to do is get rid of that natural shine from the nail.
Nuts, 21, can you do something for me? 21. Can you hit a little rich flex for me? 21. Then 21, can you do something for me? 21. Drop some bars to my pussy ex for me. Then 21, can you do something for me? Can you talk to the ops next for me? Okay. 21, do your thing. 21, do your thing. Do your thing, 21.
Yellow diamonds in the watch. This shit costs a lot, never send a die. That's how you get shot. I DM in vanish mode, I do that shit a lot. Took her panties off and this thicker than a plot. All my S's ain't nothing, them hoes busted. If my ops ain't rapping, they ass ducking. You ain't ready to pull the trigger, don't clutch it. I know you on your period, baby. Can you suck it? I'm a savage. Smacker, booty, and magic. I slap a nigga with the ratchets. I might slap a track on this whip and get the ad. Don't call me on Christmas Eve. Call your dad. Call your uncle. Don't call me. Always in my ear, your whole fleet. Why my ass be posting guns and only use they feet? Hey, like an athlete, I got
all you hoes need to remember who y'all talking to. It's the Slaughter Gang CEO. I got for you if I'm not working, girl. If I'm busy.
So once you have filed and buffed the nails, The next thing you're going to want to do is take your cuticle tool and push back the cuticles. You're just going to take it and push those cuticles back.
That's nuts, Millie. 21, can you do something for me?
So now that we have her cuticles pushed back, I'm going to go in on the cuticles and just cut that excess dead skin off. So I'm just going to take this along her cuticle line. And with this, you got to be careful because if you don't, then you will cut yourself. So you just got to be really careful with this tool because it most definitely will cut you. You will bleed.
Took her panties off and it's thicker than a plot. All my S's ain't nothing, them hoes busted. If my ops ain't rapping, they ass fucking. You ain't ready to pull the trigger, don't clutch it. I know you on your period, baby. Can you suck it? I'm a savage. Smacker, booty, and magic. I slap a nigga with the ratchets. I might slap a track on this whip and get the ad. Don't call me on Christmas Eve. Call your dad. Call your uncle. Don't call me. Always in my ear, your whole fleet. Why my ops be posting guns and only use they feet? Hey, like an athlete, I got
All you hoes need to remember who y'all talking to. It's the Slaughter Gang CEO. I got for you.
All right, so I have finished that, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the nails and size them for her fingers. Do is take the glue and put the glue on the nail bed. Okay, and put glue on the nail. And right after you place the glue on the nail, you're going to dip it into the acrylic powder. Press it onto the nail and hold it for about 5 seconds.
21, can you do something for me? Can you hit a little rich flex for me? Then 21, can you do something?
I'm just going to hold it.
Drop some bars to my pussy ex for me. Then 21, can you do something for me? Can you talk to the ops next for me? 21, do your thing. 21, do your thing. Do your thing. 21.
yellow diamonds in the watch. This costs a lot. Never send them die. That's how you get shot. IDM in vanish mode. I do that a lot. Took her panties off and it's thicker than a plot.
And then you're just going to do that for the rest of the nails.
If my ops ain't rapping, they ass fucking. You ain't ready to pull the trigger, don't clutch it. I know you on your period, baby. Can you suck it? I'm a savage. Smacker, booty, and magic. I slap a nigga with the ratchets. I might slap a track on this whip and get the ad. Don't call me on Christmas Eve. Call your dad. Call your uncle. Don't call me. Always in my ear, your whole fleet. Why my ops be posting guns and only use they feet? Hey, like an athlete, I got
All you hoes, all of you hoes need to remember who y'all talking to. It's the Slaughter Gang CEO. I got for you if I'm not working, girl. If I'm busy, then no. You need to find you someone else to call when you make account get low. You need to find you someone. That's nuts, Millie. That's nuts, Millie. 21, can you do something for me? Can you hit a little rich flex for me? Then 21, can you do something for me? Drop some bars to my pussy ex for me. Then 21, can you do something for me? Can you talk to the ops next for me? 21, do your thing. 21, do your thing. Do your thing, 21.
Yellow diamonds in the watch. This shit costs a lot. Never seen a die. That's how you get shot. IDM in vanish mode. I do that shit a lot. Took her panties off and this thicker than a plot. All my S's ain't nothing. Them hoes busted. If my ops ain't rapping, they ass fucking. You ain't ready to pull the trigger. Don't clutch it. I know you on your period, baby. Can you suck it? I'm a savage. Smacker, booty, and magic. I slap a nigga with the ratchets. I might slap a track on this whip and get the addy. Don't call me on Christmas Eve. Call your dad. Call your uncle. Don't call me. Always in my ear, yo.
Well, usually I dip it as I go. But I didn't think that she wanted them dipped. So now what I'm doing is just putting the glue inside of the nail and having her dip it in the acrylic just to give it a little extra security. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is dust off the extra acrylic that's around her nails.
Can you do something for me? Can you hit a little rich flex for me? Then 21, can you do something for me? Drop some bars to my pussy ex for me. Then 21, can you do something for me?
Like that extra acrylic like around her cuticles and stuff. Just try to dust it and get it off as best as you can.
That's how you get shot. IDM in vanish mode. I do that a lot. Took her panties off and this thicker than a plot. All my S's ain't nothing. Them hoes busted. If my ops ain't rapping, they ass fucking. You ain't ready to pull the trigger. Don't clutch it. I know you on your period, baby. Can you suck it? I'm a savage. Smacker, booty.
Alright, and now with press-on nails, I don't like to put the cuticle oil right on the cuticle. What I do is I place the cuticle oil on the finger and work it upward just to give you that fresh, just got my nails done from the salon feeling. So that's what I'm gonna do. So you're just gonna put the oil on the finger and just work your way up, because we still want that nail glue to adhere to her nail bed, and we don't want to have it lifting from the oil. So that's the reason why we're not putting it directly on the cuticle.
That's nuts, Millie. 21, can you do something for me? Can you hit a little rich flex for me? Then 21, can you do something for me? Drop some bars to my pussy ex for me. Then 21, can you do something for me? Can you talk to the ops next for me? 21, do your thing. 21, do your thing. Do your thing, 21.
Yellow diamonds in the watch. This shit costs a lot. Never seen a die. That's how you get shot. IDM in vanish mode. I do that shit a lot. Took her panties off and this thicker than a plot. All my S's ain't nothing, them hoes bustin'.
These are her personal nails.
You ain't ready
Full
to pull the trigger,
set.
don't clutch it. I know you on your period, baby. Can you suck it? I'm a savage. Smacker, booty, and magic. I slap a nigga with the ratchets. I might slap a track on this whip and get the ad. Don't call me on Christmas Eve. Call your dad.
All right, that concludes this video. Comment down below if you like this video or if you would like more videos like it. I think I'm still gonna post another video of me doing my own nails because we need to fill in. So once again, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. What the hell? Why y'all ain't tell me I had some on my face? What's this? Oh, it's acrylic. Or what is it? Is it acrylic? Don't forget to like, comment, and share. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, comment below and let me know. And also, I'm always open to other ideas or suggestions that you may have to make this process easier for you. And I'll see you maybe tomorrow. If not tomorrow, then definitely the next day. You already know. Stay sweet, babes. Mwah.